Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Teams stuck on loading screen and not loading issue in Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Open Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. Click an app through Controlled Folder Access. Click Browse All Apps. Select Microsoft Teams. Second method is Open File Explorer. Click View, check Hidden Items. Type Allow an app in Windows search bar. Click Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click Change Settings. Click Allow another app. Click Browse. This PC, C drive, users. Select your username, Updata. Local, Microsoft, Teams. Select Update.exe. Click Allow another app. Select Teams.exe. Right-click Teams shortcut, click Properties. Click Compatibility. Check Run this program compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.